Dow Jones today. Stock futures hold steady after benign January jobs report. Stock index futures were little changed Friday morning as investors closely watched monthly employment numbers. Futures tied the Dow Jones Industry Average, S&P 500, and NASDAQ Composite, which fluctuated between small gains and losses in recent trading. The major index, which are trading near record highs, turned in a mixed performance on Thursday as investors reacted to a flurry of earnings report. The employment numbers from the Labor Department released Friday morning showed that employers added fewer jobs in January than economists had expected, while the unemployment rate unexpectedly slipped to 4.0%. The monthly job report is one of the more important indicators, followed by the Federal Reserve and its decisions making on interest rates, which make it a critical data point for investors. The yield on the 10-year Treasury, which is sensitive to market expectation about the outlook of the economy and interest rate, rose to 4.48% after the release of data, up from 4.44% yesterday, closed but well below the rates around 4.6% early in the week. Among stock on the move in pre-market trading, Amazon was down nearly 3% after issuing a disappointing sales outlook for offset better than expected fourth quarter earnings. Other major tech stocks were mixed as Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, and Broadcom inched higher, while Apple, Alphabet, and Tesla fell slightly. Shares of several companies were making massive moves this morning following the release of quarterly results of the upside. Pinterest and Doximity were up more than 20%, while the firm holdings Expedia, Cloudflare, and Take-Two Interactive all jumped more than 10%. Bill Holdings and Elf Beauty both plunged more than 20%. Bitcoin at 98.6 in recent trading, up from overnight low of around 9,600, while gold futures rose slightly around 2,880 an ounce, 2,880 an ounce. And WTI crude oil futures gained 0.6%. This is a piece of my fundamental analysis before I enter the day of the financial markets. I like to check various media outlook and outsources to see what they're talking about, to see how the market is potentially going for the day. When I'm able to see how the market is going for the day, it allowed me to position myself for the day. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to analyze the market for my own